In this video, I will show you how to add Recaptcha to WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is we can head over and install a plugin. So from in here, let's head over and look for the plugin option. Click on this Add New. And then once you have clicked on that, it will open your WordPress plugin marketplace. So click on this right here. And then let's search in here for Contact Form 7 Recaptcha. So you can see this right here. So you can head over and then just choose which ones to use for this one. I'll head over and use this. So let's head over and click on this. And then let's head over and install and activate. Once you have clicked on that, it will install this particular plugin. Now, once it's been installed, head over to the settings and you can see in here this Contact Form 7 CAPTCHA. Once we have done that, we can head over and see. So this is what it looks like. You need to generate your site key and secret key. So let's head over and click on this right here. Now we need to enter in here the label. So here's our domain. So let's copy that and then let's paste that right here. Once it's been added, you can enter in here the CAPTCHA type. It can be score based or also challenge based. And you can also add in here the domains wherein you want to use this. Once you have done that, click on this I agree and click on this submit option right here. And then once you have done that, you can get the site key and also the secret key. So here's my site key and secret key. So copy that and then let's paste it right here. And let's also copy the secret key and let's also paste it right here. And the error message will be like this. And the CAPTCHA option is English and click on the save settings right here. Once you have head over and save this progress, the CAPTCHA will be activated once you have head over and enabled our form to your actual contact form. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.